guys, welcome back to another Aldi haul. I am so excited because this week Aldi has brought in gardening finds, laundry room essentials, and travel must-haves. I cannot wait to show you all the different things that they have brought in. I am so excited because we are going to be getting ready to go on spring break here in less than a month. So I can't wait to see what they have for us on the road, as well as prepping for gardening. They have so many different options for like starting seeds to planters, you name it. They always nail it. And then of course, laundry room needs. So can't wait to show you what all they have and what's new at Aldi. All right, so we are starting out in the garden section at Aldi, and these are geode planters. They are $4.99, but so stunningly gorgeous. This is my absolute favorite because it has the gold in behind, and it's like the white crystals. And then they also have the green and gold, which was really stunning as well. But this would look really, really beautiful in your home with a fresh plant in it. And again, you can't beat that price for $4.99. And if you're getting ready to start some new seeds, Aldi has you covered. They have these little packets for $3.99, and as you can see, there's 30 of them. They also have these seed starters, and these are great if you are trying to get your plants growing. These have lots of nutrients packed in them, so you just throw them in the bottom of your little seed starter kits, and they'll really help get them going. And there's 96 of them, you guys, 96. And these again are only $4.99, so under $5, and you get all of those. This was really pretty. I really love this vase set. This would be really nice in front of like a kitchen window or even like the middle of a table. But you can put some of your stems, some fresh flowers that you pick throughout the week in that. And I think just really having some really pretty flowers, some vibrant colored flowers in the middle of your table displayed like that would be really pretty. And this is $9.99. They come in two different colors, as you can see, so the natural wood and the white, so you have a couple of different options. This planter is my absolute favorite. It comes in black and this rattan color for $12.99, and you can just put your plant right in there, but it really dresses it up when you're doing home decor around the house. This would look really nice displayed next to a bed or in your living room, and again, you can't beat that price. All right, these are really cool. These are sun catchers because the sun disperses them throughout and you get like lights all over. We have one hanging up in our kitchen right now, and every time the light hits it, it throws light all throughout our house, and it's just really beautiful. These are $4.99. There's 3 different kinds, as you can see. Really, really gorgeous. You can hang these up in your garden, in your window, in your kitchen. So many different places and ideas that you can hang these, but really, really a beautiful, gorgeous lighting to bring into your room. Next up are these watering globes. I think they're really fantastic for watering your plants when you're away from home or on vacation. Such as spring break. They are $8.99 and they come in a pack of 3, so you can just fill them up and they will water them at a slower pace so that they don't overwater too, which is really nice. And as you can tell, they come in 3 different colors, so it really just brings some spring and life to your garden. Next up is this self-watering hanging planter. These are $4.99 and come in 3 different colors, and I really think that they're just a beautiful planter. So you'll definitely want to snag some of these for your front porch for your hanging pots. Next up are these seed trays. It comes in a 4-pack, which is really, really nice, and they're only $4.99, so super affordable, but these really help keep the moisture in and the sun kind of trapped so that it gives it that good jump start that a plant needs. These plant trellises are super nice for pots that you're trying to get to grow upward or might need some extra support. They're $3.99. They had 3 different kinds, as you can see, and they are 15.7 by 4.7 in width. And these little saucer trays are so handy to keep underneath your planters. These are $1.49 and they have multiple different sizes for the bases of your different planters around your house so that it's not spilling all over. And you can actually put these on your porch as well so that it's not running all over your porch. Next up is this patio string chair. It is under $50, you guys. You need to snag these. These are going to be gone so fast. These are perfect for your patio, your sunroom, or outdoors. and the maximum load is 264. So I would say it's pretty sturdy. And it does have those wrought iron wired legs, which makes it a little bit more sturdier. And then we're getting into the laundry finds, you guys. They always bring a ton of different little laundry essentials. So this is for your hat to keep it, keep its shape when you throw it in the wash machine. And then there is a shoe bag, so you can put your shoes in there again, so they're not like the shoestrings. I don't know if you guys have ever dealt with that, but it is a nightmare if they get tangled. So these bags keep everything intact for your laundry room, and these are only $2.49, so super affordable. This little dustpan comes in a couple of different colors, and these are $4.99. It has this little lime green one, and then of course my favorite, actually 3 colors. My favorite is that blue one right there. Very, very stunning color for spring. And then if you're looking for more neutral, they do have the gray. And these laundry baskets are it, you guys. They're $14.99, super affordable. Not only do they have this nice little handle that you can pull them down your hallway from your bedroom to the laundry room, but they also have wheels on the bottom. So you can kind of tilt it back, pull it along just like this picture here. So you have your rolling hamper. You're not having to break your back lifting laundry anymore. And guys, we use these daddy scrubbers all the time in our house. We also have the mama one, but this one is super nice because it can get down into the bottles and really give you that handle to really push and clean for $6.99. And it does hold soap inside of there, so it dispenses throughout. Now these are the little caddies that you can use to organize your laundry room. They had a turntable. They had these like deep bins. They're like more narrow but very deep, so it would hold like taller containers. And then of course you have this bin, which is more of that medium size, and it has all the labels for your laundry, as you can see here as well. So super nice for organizing your laundry room. And then you can kind of see $7.99, and they come in 2 different colors, so the clear and that more darker color. Now these bins are collapsible, and they're for your laundry storage. So you can put your dryer lint balls in there, which I'll show you later. Aldi has those too, or whatever you need. So this is just more of like a space saver, and they fit in cabinets. So if you need to stack them and just really use all of that space in your cabinets, this is a good little, space saver to use. This little handheld wet dry rechargeable vacuum is great for your cars or just picking up stuff around the house. Now, I'm not 100% sure how well this works because obviously I haven't used it, but it is definitely worth giving it a try for that price point. And of course, if it doesn't work great, you can always return it. But for $29.99, you cannot beat that. It's just great to be able to quickly go out in your car, pick some stuff up, and head back in. They also had all of these little kitchen accessories for cleaning, so scrubbing out. I love those bottom ones, and those are $2.49. So again, super affordable. And then also they brought in so many different sewing kits for less than $5. You get all of these different spools of thread. Let's just say that right. You can also get this cute little kit right here, and I'll show you the little picture so you can kind of see what all comes in there. So you have like your measuring tape, scissors, all the things you need to kind of repair something on the fly. And it comes in that cute little pouch. And then they also had this little box, which has a little bit more in it. It has like the pin cushion and stuff and some threads. But still, for $4.99, this is great and handy dandy to have around your house. Next up are these wool dryer balls. These are reusable, eco-friendly alternative to basically dryer sheets. And they also help speed up your drying time by about 10 to 30% and help soften your fabrics naturally and reduce that static that is so annoying when you get in your clothes, but also can help decrease your wrinkles, which is great, and all for under $5. Now these snackle boxes are so adorable. I thought these would be so cute for like a picnic or even travel. As you know, I just bought some through Walmart. If you've been watching my channel for a while, I also do other hauls from other stores, and I just grabbed one from Walmart. Otherwise, I'd be buying this one. So they do have the 12 adjustable slots, so you can kind of move those around, make them as big or as small as you need. And this is a woman-owned company. They did have some little mini sizes, which I thought were fun if you're taking a little snack somewhere. And these dresses for $14.99, there were 3 different kinds, and I'm going to show you here. This was like more of that blue jean dress with the pleated front, and it's woven. There's another one right here, same style but with green, so another really fun one with the collar. And these do go from small to extra large. And this striped one was really, really nice for like more of a spring, you know, going out to dinner or even for church. Now the fabric it was kind of a little bit more on the stiff side, so I'm interested to see how this is going to feel after you wash it, but still a great affordable find for under $15. Had some 4-way stretch pants for men, again small through extra large, and they had them in the gray and black, so super nice if you're looking for some extra pants for the guys around the house. They did seem really comfortable, so it's probably worth a try for that price point. Now this one I'm probably going to skip when I go down the aisle. When I was reading over the box, it did look like it was like bragging about picking up dust, which is like not going to be strong enough for anything I need in my household. However, if you do need something that's going to use and blow air to like a, you know, an air mattress or something like that, I think this would be a great thing to find. Again, they have the 4 different colors, and these are under $15. These little front door mats were so cute. They're $6.99, and you guys know I had to rearrange these before I left this aisle. I am like huge about that. When I go into Aldi, when I see a mess like this, I have to like reorganize it and make it look better. So these are 18 by 30. So as you can see, they look better now, but they're 18 by 30 and perfect for that spring porch decor. Now we're getting into the car organization, so the travel trip stuff. This was a nice, like really sturdy little tote to put in the back of your trunk. These were under $10 at that $9.99 mark, and they are collapsible, which is nice for space saving. These are $6.99. There's 3 different types. So this one hangs over the back, which you can put your little tablet in. You can do some trunk organization, or these are really nice to carry with you on trips to put snacks or emergency items that you might need for later. And again, for $6.99, these are great road trip must-haves. And I would definitely snag a couple of those. This next one we've actually previously bought for our twins for our last spring break trip, and they were so handy because they can actually set them up like desks, put them over their car seat or lap, and they can draw and do whatever they need to keep them occupied and busy, and their crayons aren't going all over the place. They did have some for boys and girls, so you can get whatever your heart desires, and as far as that goes, some unicorns. I can't remember, this is more like some farm animals like bunnies or something, but super affordable price for just something that helps keep your trip very well organized and less stressful. They also had these on-the-go activities for $5.99, so it had some stickers and some crayons, and again, everything is washable and reusable so that they can keep active and be able to do things throughout the entire trip over and over. Brought in some more travel fun things. These neck pillows and blankets for the car. These are $7.99, and you can see all the different patterns that they have. They are super soft and plushy and perfect for your little one for a car travel ride or even an airplane. These are great for like packing in a bag and just very slim, easy to go. These fire blankets were so nice. I definitely love that Aldi is bringing in things like this, because this is great for like somebody who maybe doesn't know quite how to put it out with a fire extinguisher, and it's a smaller fire on like the stove. This would be great to just quickly throw the blanket over it, really suffocate it out quick, and stops the fire fast for under 17 bucks. These wreaths are everything. I love the pop of colors in this one. It's very, very springy, and honestly, just a really cute and cozy look for your front door. They had a couple of different kinds that I could see. So this one and this yellow one right here. These are all $19.99, so super affordable and a great price to decorate your front porch or even a back door. Next up are these area runners for $9.99. They had a lot of different bright, cheerful colors. This yellow one is super cute, but probably wouldn't work well for a front entry door. It's gonna get dirty real fast, but that black one and this gray one were also really good options. And how cute are these little gnomes here? I mean, so adorable. I love this little one with the little daisy on the top of its head. These are all $4.99, so a great price, and 16 inches in length. So pretty good size with that weighted base so that they can sit right on like a mantle or a shelf and still stand up. They had several different options, but this one right here was my absolute favorite with the little pink flowers and green stem. So cute. And you know Aldi is bringing in the good candles. They had a summer nights one, a weekend getaway, I believe. Yes, that is my absolute favorite. I brought that one home with me because it was so good. And then this one is afternoon walk in the park. So all of them smell actually pretty good for $4.99, but this was by far my favorite and came home with me. These ones I would say are more decorative. They were $5.99, so a little bit higher in price. However, I didn't quite love the smell of them as much as I did the previous candles, so I would probably skip most of these, but they smell okay. I mean, just wasn't my favorite. All right, friends, that's everything I found during this Aldi haul this week. There were actually so many good finds, but before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel and let me know that you really enjoy these Aldi walkthroughs so I can continue making more of them. And make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next week's Aldi haul, home decor, and affordable shopping videos. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite item was from this week's haul. And as always, I love seeing you guys. Let me know what you're going to be grabbing while you're walking through Aldi, and thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.